Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode on my channel, where today we'll be looking at the topic of commercial real estate in Europe, which is attracting investors from America. But before we begin, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with new episodes. Okay, let's go. The European commercial real estate market is becoming increasingly attractive to investors from North America. In 2022, they allocated as much as 48 billion euros to investments, which represents a 31% increase compared to the 5-year average. Development. According to forecasts by Savills, by the end of 2023, North American investors will be the largest group investing in real estate in Europe. Investors from Singapore will also be active in the European real estate market, investing in various sectors and countries. In 2023, the European real estate market will attract a diverse group of foreign investors. Investors will be looking for investment opportunities, especially significantly discounted assets. Risk-averse investors will focus on searching for income-generating assets in the most attractive locations and sectors across Europe. Finally, it is predicted that the total volume of investment transactions in the European real estate market in 2023 will amount to 240 billion euros, which will mean a decrease of 17–20% in annual terms. In Poland, the increase in rents to some extent compensates for the rising capitalization rates, and the slowdown in the construction sector has caused construction costs to return to levels seen at the turn of 2021 and 2022. Investors will focus on selective investing, preferring assets that provide capital protection against inflation and opportunistic investments. That's all for today. Thank you for joining me in another episode. Remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated with new episodes. Bye!